This message has been transmitted by the request of the Chicago Police Department. A large dinosaur has been rampaging through the city of Chicago, wrecking cars and causing fatalities. Paleontologists has identified the creature as Giganotosaurus, which is a large apex predator standing 18 feet tall, 51 feet in length, giant sharp spines going across its back, and has a dark green and black color pattern. This is a shelter-in-place warning. Lock all doors and windows and barricade them with furniture or anything that you could find. If you find the creature outside your house, call 911 immediately. Do not attempt to attack the creature, or you'll face certain death. This message will now switch to your normal broadcasting service.